It is not necessarily the twin room facilities that makes it a suite, but it's the smaller outlets in the relatively smaller places also that provide a lot of wood and artworks and amenities for a comfortable stay. Let's see the art. There are a lot of healthy, fit young men with lot of music, dhol and Chennai kind of thing, hinting towards some celebratory process or procession. And if we just look at the other art that's provided in the room, yes, and there's more kind of a tribal backdrop with the huts, and then is it the sun at the right top corner that we need to see, and lot of drums placed this time on the floor, the kind of Chennai and everything, and team of girls doing a synchronized dancing. It's more similar to Dhimsa at Araku that we see. So the placing of the dholak here on the ground reflects more of a contrast with the kind of more advanced uh, dhol being hung from the neck. So this indicates some certain development, and the dressing pattern, everything, and the celebratory mode of men as well as women gives us an indication of the cultural backdrop of the Utkal region. And look at this. Let's take a look at this tower with the earthen material. It's a five-storied structure with the bottom one depicting flowers and kind of conch, and the next layer depicting monkey-like looking craftwork on the outside with a lot of instruments and playing, and the same thing going on to the next layer, next level. There's a lot of things like bhakti and playing of instruments, earth instruments, wind instruments, kind of thing. And then we come to the fourth floor where we see a lot of elephants with lot of respectful honking, is it? So heralding some respectful welcome. And then there is a pot. These are all earthen material. If you look at all these intricate craft works, and all these are, imagine the danglings with the earrings, the elephants having earrings, and a lot of these things. And if you look at the earthen material, all these are individual floors which can be taken up. And what could be the reason for this, the whole structure? This also is detachable, and if we see the caliber of material becomes thicker as we go down. So there's a lot of engineering and the craftworks both, like an apple foam. Beautiful artwork is embellished on a wonderful engineering design to produce this multi-storied tower. I wonder what it was used to store something inside, or what else. But it makes a wonderful observation, wonderful looking, just to have such a human engineering structure, a lot of artworks just by the side in our room. We may notice a few things, we may not notice much, but definitely in the subconscious and the peripheral vision, what we call, all this ambience will create a certain festive celebratory ambience. Contrast this with another conference hall with lot of animal structures placed, that will have more of a control over the nature or the environment kind of feeling, that will be empowering the decision making process. Whereas here in this hotel, in this twin room suite room, this is more of a celebratory with lot of appreciation towards arts and excellence at engineering, lot of woodwork, and the glass itself is the glass panel on the teepie that makes it the modernized kind of tool. Otherwise, it looks impeccable. 80s, 70s, which of the woodwork which depicts even artworks of earlier times. So wonderful way of giving relaxation to the client. This is the suite room at the Hotel Paradise in Balangir. You will find a lot of good art structures all over the Odisha, which is previously called the Utkal region. In our Janaganmana also we have Dravida Utkalavanga, the Utkal region. You will find fantastic colorful artworks in this part of the country. You definitely can plan a visit. You will find a lot of hospitality and warm, affectionate people, and a lot of history background also. Yeah. Bye.